Hi everyone, buenos dias. This is Ever from Boardwalk Realty, and today we're going to show you what you can get for $550 USD in Puerto Vallarta. Today we're featuring a two-level apartment, two bedrooms apartments upstairs, one bedroom, and two studios on the side. So follow me, let's go check it out. So here we start with our first unit. As you can see, this is a studio, charming little area, very cozy, but at the same time spacious. As you can see, high ceilings, got everything you need, perfect to host family and friends. You have a private bathroom, lots of storage underneath the staircase, and very great opportunity for you to have short-term or long-term guests. So, ladies and gentlemen, 3 of the units are currently occupied and rented, so we won't have access to view those in person. However, you can click on these pictures and have an idea for yourself. However, we will see one of the studios. Actually, there's 2 studios on the ground level. Consider this a casita. It's like a little house. I love that it has the rebar, so you could actually add an additional floor. But this just gives you an idea. I mean, the property is just very well maintained. We have an air conditioning unit, kitchenette. Looks like my old apartment. You have a bed, you have a bathroom, you have a little table, your refrigerator. I mean, I could live here. I love this. It feels so cool. It feels like home. There's so much potential here, again, due to the spacious land. But when I see this garden, I would probably just keep the garden. I love that she has this tree here. It's a big tree. I would probably not get rid of the tree, but maybe I would paint the background, maybe put in a screen along that wall, and probably just get creative and even build like a palapa on the upper deck, or maybe like a private terrace. But I love grass, I love the trees, so I would not do away with that. Perfect area to lounge and hang out with your friends and family. And as you can see, we veer over towards the garage and you see all this space. So again, this bedroom here we won't be able to see, but you can see you have a grill, perfect place to come out and hang out with the kids, maybe play, perfect area for kids to play, but all in the security of your own home. Thank you for watching. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in Puerto Vallarta or contemplating the idea of maybe investing in our real estate market and love a property similar to this or this property, let me know. I'd love to help.